Heart, may irereto na ako sa'yo. Meron na? Pasok na pasok sa standards mo. Mabait, maamo mo ka, matalino, at higit sa lahat, gwapo. Tumpak! Seryoso ba? Okay, so kaibigan siya ng boyfriend ko and his name is Katie Dizon. 4th year, taking up mechanical engineering. Girl, I swear, nakausap ko na siya one time and he sounds so mature and soft-spoken. Okay. Oh, yes. Ikaw yun. Ako? Katie Dizon. That's me. Bakit? Nakakahiya pero ikaw yung irereto sa akin ng best friend ko. Ang gwapo mo, no? I mean, I'm sorry. Yung whole face mo kasi parang, hindi eh. Hindi parang, ang sarap titigan ng mukha mo. Sorry if, tunog pangit yun. Never mind. You must be Heart, 2nd year, broadcasting student, right? Kilala mo ko? Nakwento ko sa ng kaibigan ko. He told me na may kaibigan daw yung girlfriend niya na naghahanap daw ng boyfriend. Hindi na ako naghahanap, Katie. Kasi I think nahanap ko na. Sorry, I'm really not like this. My best friend just told me how to create a conversation with someone like you. Someone like me? Someone na gusto ko pang makalala. Alam mo, Katie, I never thought na lalabas agad tayo kasi ang bilis ng pangyayari. Like, we've known each other for 1 week pa lang, di ba? I just realized kasi na we're always texting each other every single day and I feel like this won't work if we won't talk properly in person. Like this, I can talk to you while looking at you. Huh? This won't work if we won't... Wait, ibig sabihin, you and me date, like, ito na yung progress natin? Bakit parang nagugulat ka dyan, Heart? I mean, our friends built a bridge for the both of us. Pwede natin gawin, tawirin yung tulay, tapos salubungin natin yung isa't isa. Pinapakilig mo ba ako? Yun ba yung dating ng mga sinabi ko? Pa-fall ka. Ako? Pa-fall? Hindi naman siguro. If you're willing to get to know someone, you don't settle for messages or sa mga calls lang. How can you feel the person's sincerity if walang ganito mga nangyayari, di ba? Wow. How's your studies pala? Nakakatamad mag-aral. I have a deadline this Friday. I have a group meeting this Saturday. Tapos may research ako sa Sunday. Gusto ko naman tapusin yun. Pero tinatamad ako. Gusto ko na lang pumarty, mag-travel, mag-chill. Like, bakit pa natin kailangan mag-aral, diba? Kaya di mamamatay na yata ako. Heart, don't say that. Joke lang naman eh. That is something na hindi mo pwedeng i-joke lang. That's a serious matter. And also, I told you na don't procrastinate, diba? Ayun tuloy, tamba ka na naman. Oo na, pero pwede mo ba akong tulungan? No. You know, I have a lot of things on my plate right now. And besides, you have to learn how to be independent. Pansin ko na you've been relying on me so much. Sorry. It's fine. Pero, I'm sorry din. Sana hindi ka na-offend. Uy, I'm not. Actually, gusto ko nga na palagi tayong sabi na nag-aaral para yun, palagi akong sinisipag. Gusto mo bang kumain? Let's feed our brains. Tara. KD, Heart, bakit gusto mo makipagkita ngayon? Akala ko ba busy ka? Tapos na yung schedule ko for today. Ako sasabog na yung utak ko sa project namin. Anyway, kumain ka na ba? Ikaw? Busog na busog. May sasabihin ka ba? Marami.